How to fix Snapchat common problem. So there is actually three ways to fix any problem you have in Snapchat. The first way, go to the settings, go to apps, open the apps manager, click on Snapchat, click on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the home page. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. And the third way and the last one is go to the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode. After 10 seconds, disable it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.